They are Brisbane Airport's new Airside Safety Vehicles, and yes, you just might need shades to look at them.
So we inspect the runways, the taxiways, we make sure everything's safe. We're on the aprons, we're everywhere aircraft movements are and beyond. We want to make sure the environment's safe to operate aircraft in and our customers are safe at all times.
King 410 data, runway 01 clear for takeoff.
Center 135.2, g'day, velocity 1778.
Much higher presence on airport and we believe will increase our levels of safety. Train the birds to be aware of the yellow vehicles as opposed to the 1,000 other white utes that are on airport. We can have between 6 and 8 on any one day, depending on what works we're on. We've got dual runways, so we've got people on the runways, we've got people on the aprons. We have a presence everywhere on airport. These vehicles have a follow me sign on the back, a digital follow me sign that we can put on when we're asked to do a follow me by maybe a foreign aircraft coming on the airport for the first time and doesn't quite know where the bay is that he needs to go to.
So next time you're in the terminal catching a flight, keep an eye out for the Airside Safety Vehicles. They really are keeping you and Brisbane Airport safe.